Top news headlines. CM Biren appeals to Makhan Khulin villagers to maintain calm. Footpath on Kaisampat, Wahingbam Laikai occupied by vehicles, street vendors. Manipur ban against merger agreement paralyzes life. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has appealed to the villagers of Tenson Griff, Makhan Khulin of Senapati district to maintain calm and refrain from violence. At a press conference held at Chief Minister's Secretariat today, Biren appealed to both conflicting sides to resolve the dispute through dialogue. Chief Minister maintained that the government has already held talks with one group and will hold meeting with the other group soon to resolve the situation.
Sport of Salaga Karino, Commander Bononi, and Simono Sui Silly, which is given a Mohammed Canada, and the number 144 from there. Kana say never violent to the Posse, the Wino who had Namakana, the Maram, which is not in the
It may be mentioned that some miscreant tore 10 houses at Makhan Khulin village over a land dispute last Tuesday. Since then, tension continues to grip the area. Protesting against the failure of the Manipur government to book all culprits involved in the arson attack, the Makhan Union has decided to impose an indefinite total blockade along the Mau-Imphal highway until their demands are fulfilled. Meanwhile, the CM Biren also said drug abuse is increasing in Manipur and the youth are falling victim to it. Biren said that his government has declared a war on drugs. He also said that under the implementation of Digital India program, the government of Manipur has launched My Government Manipur instead yesterday, through which any individual can reach out to him by clicking to the website portal and assure that nobody will be spared when it comes to drugs and illicit liquor.
My government got 100. Also, they can raise the question on the website. Importance of the question and response on it. Or not let them to me. I did the mind personally I call a police to the that way. I want the pop review. I want the pop review. No one will spare regarding in dealing with the drugs and alcohol. I spare to organization. I don't know whether to move the trip or the far or action dollar. I don't know whether I number soon my underway. She might tell me Kramaki and the Purula I have mentioned.
Chief Minister N. Biren also said that the growth rate of gross state domestic product GSDP has increased double, that is 8% in 2008-19 from 4% in 2016-17. Chief Minister stated that the state revenue has TP increased from 587 crores in 2016-17 to above 1,000 crores in 2018-19. Such results shows that with the advent of the present government, there is economic growth in the state, he added. Such pace of development and growth would transform Manipur into an advanced state in near future. He opined that the government could achieve such result with the love, support and cooperation of the people of the state. Once the banned blockade-stricken region has been completely transformed to a region of economic growth, he added. Chief Minister further announced that under the Start Up Manipur scheme, a new program called Stand Up Manipur would be introduced soon to provide soft loans to scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, other backward classes and minority entrepreneurs of the state. He added that schemes to recognize and appreciate entrepreneurs and small business owners of Manipur have yielded good results. Startup Manipur, Stand Up Manipur will help us achieve the target of doubling the state economy, he added.
We can make a Manipur economically advanced, socially advanced way of state.
The Manipur government has constructed footpaths in various parts of Imphal city, a significant step for the public convenience. Traffic police and Manipur police have joined hands in removing all the street vendors, stalls, structural materials, parking of damaged vehicles from the footpaths in light of the public inconveniences. Nevertheless, the footpath stretches from Kaiksampat Junction to Wahengbam Lekai in the heart of Imphal city has been occupied by vehicles, junk food vendors and hawkers. TOMTV has an exclusive report on this.
In a bid to ease traffic congestion and inconveniences, the state government has constructed footpaths or footbridges at various locations of Imphal city. The footpaths are meant for pedestrians. However, like many parts of India, the issue of street vendors is witnessed in the state too. The footpaths are largely occupied by the street vendors, hawkers, food stalls, thus making it more difficult for the pedestrians. Because of unending problem created by increasing number of street vendors and limited space, pedestrians are forced to walk on main road, causing traffic knolls. The public decry that such problem is due to lack of proper management by the concerned authority and the government.
Aduga akhoi lambi si wa parking si mafam zada ba haiba tare adune lambi si hari sumena footpath se sautho anba paktho anba khidang pamjaba adu satpa thokpada myam si yam china laiba.
The footpath led in the heart of Imphal city along Kaiksampat Junction Road stretching over Wahengbam Lekai is in a pathetic condition and is almost choked. One can witness all kinds of goods piling up for sale. The public questioned as to how the Manipur City Police has neglected this problem. They urged the concerned authority and government to take up necessary steps to address the problem. Reporting Premananda Mangstabung with cameraman Gobin, TOMTV News, Imphal.
Protesting against the Manipur merger agreement, the 24-hour statewide ban call given by militant group National Revolutionary Front Manipur (NRFM) hit normal life in the state. Imphal, Khwaramban Market and other major markets in the valley were shut due to the ban which began last midnight. It has been said that the then Maharaja Bodhchandra of Manipur was made to sign the merger agreement to merge the then kingdom with the Union of India under duress on September 21, 1949. NRFM in a statement stated that the revolutionary movement demands restoration of the lost sovereignty of Manipur. Citing the example of Jammu and Kashmir, the outfit also said that apart from abrogating Article 370, the government of India has imprisoned many Kashmiris. Emergency medical cases, water and power supply and media person are relaxed from the purview of the ban. A one-day open discussion on the theme Manipuri National Identity was held today at Manipur House, Red Land located at Laitungkra at Shillong, Meghalaya. The event was held under the aegis of Manipur Students' Union Shillong to mark the September 21, 1941 merger agreement that took place in Shillong. Today's discussion was attended by President of AMSU, Peter Laishram, former President of AIMS, Rajesh Chumnam, President of DESAM, S. Akas, Vice President of Manipuri Students Federation, Sajad Bunia, and other students' leaders. It was also attended by Legal Advisor of UCM, L. Jadumani, Deputy Director of Free Press School of Journalism, R.K. Bobichan, and Regional Director of Indian Council for Cultural Relations, Ningthauza Munich, as resource person.
Mathang tarakpadasu akhoi sigumba oina calendar feature oina mathang sei dasu 21st September 2020 dasu koi Shillong Manipur Student Union na mateng ama madagi donation bu ore contribution bu ore tawraga koi sinjagani haina pepsei aduga sigumba program asi semsuna sindraga su manipurda lega singdiba kasu kaide kainodi motive ti mayam pullaga historical ladiba facts ma'am significant koi facts ma'am ji amutang di punjal laga chatra sangstana natragati masi NGO atopunda hekta toya aduna akhoina step logje risi just a step, one step, second step, third step, we all have to do together.
Aduna sangam jahi purumdo gi manung gi da India gi tawriba magi 5 years plan gi me am ko am tawro khida bane aduga am yam sathiri di ekoi da Manipur gi miyam da miyam gi lenga aduga democracy gi right sing ase kamai to na phumbe gi ekoi gi han democracy right sing do 1949 da gi mangale aduga 72 da khakta da state ru pire aduga am 75 na mu ekoi je ke dawre 75 na ekoi Indira Gandhi ki matam emergency ki amu ada gi ta 1980 lagi di amu armed forces special power act se entire state se imposed to selectana nasi di mado ekoi democratic country amagi state amani hajaraga su realistically yang kanda Manipur miyam na nasi ba democracy gi aseng mahau de ko
Union Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Distribution Minister Ramvilas Paswan inaugurated an FCI godown at Manipur's Bishnupur district today. Paswan arrived in Imphal yesterday in a two-day visit to the state. He had chaired a review meeting of FCI operation, PDS, computerization and other related issues at Hotel Classic Grand Imphal.
FCI के फूड कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया के रविंदर जी हैं, ईडी हैं और तमाम हमारे साथीगण और यहाँ आए हुए सभी महानुभावों, पत्रकार साथियों और FCI के कर्मचारियों, मुझे बहुत खुशी है।
In commemoration of the month-long celebration of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat anniversary, the Old Jiribam United Clubs Association, Ajuka, conducted a social service contest today as part of two-day social service competition. Various local clubs of the region took part in the contest under two groups, namely urban and rural. In today's event, volunteers of Wagnam Youth Club CII, Divong Kuno of urban category along with other rural category clubs like Kangleicha Club, Samupunbi Gularthod, Alipur Youth Club and Pangel Club, Sorok Atingbi Kuno participated in cleaning up the surrounding area. President of Ajuka, M. Paksana, Vice President M. Prem Chandra Singh and others supervised the event and distributed snacks to the participants. Talking to media, Mai Paksana said the objective of the event was to maintain cleanliness in the area. Yaol has given the first edition of Inclusive Reporting Award to 5 journalists of 5 media houses, including TOMTV. The award was distributed during a function held at Yaol premises, Maitram Imphal yesterday. TOMTV, Impact TV, Imaz TV, DY 365 and Imphal Free Press baked the award. TOMTV journalists Ilabati and cameraman Thangjam Rolivin were awarded with mementos and cash. It is what mentioning date. Yaol is a cafe and co-working space run by LGBTIQ community. Documentary filmmakers Mina Longjam and several others attended the award distribution function.
Young youth oiba, say kuntra mangi makada leba kui yawalse group oiba nina youth kajina sillaga ngasagi community natta me amse koi mainstream tawraga government na transgender welfare board kumbari semaga lairi adagi health ki scheme me amama lairi adai jura koi se sexual minorities oina government na ju lauthokre sexual minorities singi atopa scheme gai ngasai health ki scheme da higher education free ohen bagi higher ju aduna adugu nataba topa employment ki skill building gi dasu sigumba sexual minority ama oirabanina me am government gi special focus amadi community sida tingsaninge angam mating pangbina gidamakta.
Two personnel of Imphal West District Narcotics were reportedly beaten up by some students of Manipur University for alleged rash driving and act of intimidation inside the university campus. The police personnel were identified as Sub-Inspector Wahengbam Robertson and Constable P. Bhutto. The incident happened when the two police personnel with guns were moving inside the university campus, intimidating the students. They were later handed over to police, a report said. Seventh Annual Day celebration of Classic Hospitality Training Institute, a unit of Babina Healthcare and Hospitality Private Limited, was held at Sangai Hotel Imphal today. Director of Planning Department, Government of Manipur, Dr. T.H. Monindra Singh, Joint Director N. Kulkarni, Director of OBC and AC Government of Manipur, N.G. Bogendro Meitei, Joint Director of MSSD, Manipur S. Ibochauba and Analyst Northeast National Skill Development Corporation, Masotmi Jimik, were the main guests at the event. The 7th Annual Day celebration also witnessed the welcoming of new batch of students in hotel management and hospitality operations. Managing Director of Babina Group of Hotels, THW said the training institute was started to generate more opportunities for the youths in tourism and hospitality sector. He further added that the program was held to motivate the students as well.
Manipur is a state with a lot of unemployment issues. Out of 28 lakh population, we have as many as 7 lakh unemployed educated youths. That's a big challenge for the state. But in order to get the employment, one needs skill training. And skill training gives a very big avenue, a very big ground for employment.
In connection with the week-long Seva Saptah celebrating Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 69th birthday, the Bishnupur District BJP Mandal organized an awareness program on avoiding single-use plastic and promote water conservation for the students at Stanford Photon School, Nacho in Bishnupur District today. President of BJP Bishnupur District R.K. Bimola during the awareness program explained the hazardous effects of single-use plastic. Lamyanba Irabot Ningsing Thauram Observation Committee Lintok under the aegis of Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur observed Lamyanba Irabot Ningsing Thauram at KB Manaching of Imphal East today. Official members of Lintok, PPCM and well-wishers paid floral tribute to the statue of Irabot at KB Manaching on the occasion. The statue was erected by Irabot Memorial Trust KB.
Mamangi matam sahi ngahi tena sahi humdra gi matam tuta lamyan na adumbo wakalo di puthukra baneba akoida sida lamyan na United Front kai sem dana matam na tawki basi akoi hausi ta tawri ba posi ki lamjing ho na tawkra bani matam tuta ado matam tuta pun ki bagasi akoina Yamna Sintharingani 1947 ki November ki tang kuntra Masida MTU holga Nimitang ki pum mga tama tamda Irabot na lamjing duna mana United Front ama sian be dong ta Manipur le ban lut mapan sing amrit tam lut mapan ji khomjal laga mana pulap punjal laga mana akoi wari am logodam ni haidana ga mana sinni ba mase akoi asauba akoi ngasi para am ho daka wai.
As part of Swasta Hi Seva, a mass cleanliness drive cum awareness program was conducted today along the Tidim Road in Bishnupur district. The event was jointly organized by District Water Sanitation Committee, Bishnupur and Manipur Pollution Control Board, Government of Manipur. Chairman of Manipur Pollution Control Board, L. Radhakeshwar, Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur, Nita Rambam, Superintendent of Police, Bishnupur, Priyadarshini Laishram and others were present at the program. The participant cleaned up the streets along the Tidim Road from Chanura Bazar, Utlau to Moirang Lamkhai.
Plastic ayamba khungang dogi laikai dogi mina sakai benate highway sida satpiba gari ayamba dogi manung dogi lanai gari oraga so aduga commercial gari oraga so makoina langthorakpana ayamba ni maram aduna hariba along the highway da satpiriba gari singna gari manung di saba thakpa lorakanda plastic bottle gumba aduga adukoigi plastic ki koigi lays gumba kari gumba charu rakanda heta langthokase tawbiganu han appeal tawjari.
Volunteers of Meitei Council More, all community development organizations More, Tamil Sangha More, Gorkha Samaj Seva Committee under the supervision of 43 Assam Rifles organized a cleanliness drive at More Gate number 2 and No Man Lane situated in between More and Tamu along India-Myanmar border. The cleanliness drive was conducted in a move to maintain warm, cordial and conducive atmosphere between the two neighboring countries. 43 Assam Rifles More Commandant Sumit Sut, Major Ankit Sharma, Major Rajiv Kumar along with Myanmar Army stationed at Tamu Immigration Police, Tamu Police official of Forest Department, staff of Fire Department joined hands in the cleanliness drive. Later, the officials of both the countries hoisted their national flags and exchanged the gift. Let's have another short break, commercial break. Stay tuned. Coming up, Panjobam Lokanat Bakes Barak Valley Achievers Award 2019.
Coil Green, India's #1 genset brand by Kirloskar Efficiency Integrated, is now in Imphal. Generator range 2.4 kVA to 1010 kVA DG set. Automobile engineering works at New Chakon Road, Imphal East, MI Store Building, 1st floor. Contact us at 9862 566601 or 0385245211. Authorized dealer, Kirloskar Gensets.
What's up, rock and rollers? Girish here from Girish and the Chronicles.
Hi guys,
we are post-funded.
Hi everyone, we are Soleh sir.
Hi, we are Innocent Eyes.
Hi guys,
we're Angela.
I hope you're ready to get rocked on the 22nd of September because we are coming to Manipur. We're performing live at the Manipur Trade and Expo Center and it's gonna be amazing. Let's bang our heads. Let's have a great rocking time. Rock and roll.
Welcome back. Northeast India Company Limited will confer the Barak Valley Achievers Award 2019 on Panjobam Loknath on September 29th at a function to be held at the Ellora Heritage Assembly, Silchar. Loknath is being given the prestigious award in recognition of his contributions in social work, which aim to uplift the weaker section of the society. An advocate by profession, Loknath was also a former leader of All Assam Minority Students Union. Meanwhile, editor of Imphal Times, Rinku Khumukcham, chairperson of Child Welfare Committee, Imphal West, Thiam Raskishore, additional superintendent of police, NAF, Thaunau Zambrinda, Manipur and JEO John 3 Thaubal MES Arambam Anil Kumar have jointly backed the MACR Child Rights Award 2019 given by the Manipur Alliance for Child Rights Award. They have been selected for the award in recognition of their work in the field of juvenile justice, journalism, education, combating drugs and alcoholism. The awards will be presented to the winners at the 10th Children Cultural Meet 2019 to be held on September 28 at the auditorium of Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairong, Imphal West. The World Cleanup Day was observed by Tribal Knowledge Foundation at Senapati. At the event, Vice President of Tribal Knowledge Foundation, R.T. Pao, Vemai expressed concern over neglecting cleanliness in the state. He said, "Cleanliness begins from home." Today's event was also attended by eco-guardians along with more than 200 volunteers of the Senapati District Students Association. Social activist, international model and women coordinator of Human Initiatives, Manipur Mayang Lambam Daina today felicitated Manipur Wushu team including coach, judges and observers who took part in the recently held 18 Junior National Wushu Championship 2019 in Chandigarh. The function was held in front of India Gate in New Delhi. The team won many medals in the championship. At the function, Mayang Lambam Daina talked about the harmful effects of drugs on the society and the importance of games and sports in building a healthier society. She also urged the government to provide welfare schemes for players to motivate them. A woman was shot dead by unidentified assailants in Patparganj area in East Delhi district today. The deceased, identified as Usha, was rushed to a private hospital situated on IP extension following the shooting, where she succumbed to her injuries, informed a Delhi police official, according to a media report. The incident took place at around 6:30 in the morning when the woman was sitting inside her car outside Sunny Temple in the area. US President Donald Trump will meet Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan on September 23, a day after he joins Prime Minister Narendra Modi for the mega Howdy Modi event in Houston, and will again hold a meeting with Prime Minister Modi in New York on September 24. Both the meetings with the leaders of India and Pakistan will be held in New York on the sidelines of 74th session of UN General Assembly as per reports. Trump is expected to arrive in New York tomorrow night after his participation with Modi at the Howdy Modi event in Houston, where the two leaders will address over 50,000 Indian Americans. Zimbabwe captain Hamilton Masa Kadja played his last international against Afghanistan yesterday. As per reports, the 36-year-old was given a guard of honor by both sides as he came into bat in Chittagong, Bangladesh. He scored 71 off 42 balls to take Zimbabwe to an impressive 7-wicket victory in the 20 match. Masa Kadja ended the 18-year international career with a blistering 5 sixes and 4 fours. And now let's move on top news headlines once again. CM Biren appeals to Makhan Kulen villagers to maintain calm. Footpath on Kaisampat, Wahingbam Laikai, occupied by vehicles, street vendors. And Manipur ban against merger agreement paralyzes life. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update.